Hi friends, this is the Qdup, the Wi-Fi adapter AC 600 Mbps wireless USB adapter, 5 gigahertz and 2.4 gigahertz dual band. So let me open this box, and this is the driver CD and this is the product. So this is the Wi-Fi, this is the USB adapter, this is the Wi-Fi adapter. So we have to connect this in this. So let me just unpack that, remove all the polythene or the packing thing. So you can see there is the pin and the USB. The quality looks good, and then let me put and attach this first. So I'm attaching this with the USB. You can see like you have to rotate in that socket and lock that direction. So this is ready to be added in the USB, and you can see like this is a manual that's in English and shows how to connect this USB or the Wi-Fi adapter with your PC, and this can be attached to PC or the Mac or any other laptop. This is the driver CD that comes with it, and so if you have the CD reader or the DVD reader, you can use this and then get all your drivers from this. Else you can use a website to add in that. So I'm just trying to put that in my HP laptop just to show you first, and then I will show you the setup later on. So just trying, like you can see the blue wiring, the blue light that ons up, and then for the USB it comes, but it needs the driver to be installed so that it can recognize it. So I'm trying to see, but it is actually connecting to my previous adapter, and I don't want to mess it up with my HP laptop, so I'm just showing you on my Acer laptop right now. So with my Acer laptop you can see that I'm going to this website that is shown on the manual, and then putting the number of this product into the search to get the drivers. And I'm not sure if you can see it clearly, but it's pretty easy and straightforward to search on this website. Then it asks for the make and model. So if you just take out your this Wi-Fi adapter, on the back of it will show you the chipset. So the chip is 11CU, and you can see like this is this one, and I will just download the driver and ask you for the operating system. So there is a Windows 10 that I'm installing it for. Because this is my actually old laptop, it do not have the 5 gigahertz connection with the inbuilt Wi-Fi adapter. So I will just check and show you if this 5 gigahertz versus 2.4 gigahertz within my PC will have any effect in the speed. So the driver is downloaded, and I just open it, and I'm just doing the setup. So let's just do next, and just operate it with the process of installation. It will take some time because it will ask for you for the hardware. So I put it back, it will recognize and start installing it. I will try to pause the video in between so that I can show you only the main steps. once this is all downloaded, it will ask you to restart your laptop. So I'm just restarting my laptop, and once it is up, this is the two Wi-Fi thing. So I'm disabling my inbuilt Wi-Fi adapter from Acer here, and then you can see it's add as a Wi-Fi 3 adapter. So I will enable this and connect it with my Wi-Fi. Sorry, maybe I will try to blur my network name, but just for the demo purpose I'm still showing it to you. So it is connected with my Wi-Fi, and you can see clearly here that this one is connected and the blue light is now off and on, like normal. So after this thing, let me see if there is in the diagnostic if there is any issue with the Wi-Fi connection. So in the diagnostic it is running, and let's show what it shows. Yeah, so there is no problem or no during the troubleshoot. So I will try to now go for the speed test by using this speedtest.net website, and then so I go for the go button, and let's see what the speed it will show. It may take some time, so I will again try to pause and run this video again to save some time. So just to let you know that my internet connection is 100 Mbps. So it is showing me here 86 and the upload 80 around, and the upload is around 117. So this is the speed when I'm using this new Qdup Wi-Fi adapter. Now I will disable or disconnect this one and enable my Acer inbuilt Wi-Fi adapter, which is of course is 2.4 gigahertz, and this laptop is actually 4-5 years old. So let's see the speed if I use this one, and what will be the speed. So I'm doing this speed test again for the inbuilt Acer Wi-Fi adapter. So I'm running this speed test again just to show you how this time my speed will go. So let me start this one. And you can see it is showing me a download speed of 65 and upload speed of around same like 60 around. So that will be showing 80 and 117, whereas this is showing me around 60, 64 or 65 around. So you can see the difference. I can see like with this new adapter, and I'm just enabling both but connecting the Wi-Fi 3 like this external adapter for now. So hope this helps you just to see like it also affect the speed. So overall it looks fine to me, and it now gives the both 5 and 2.4 gigahertz things to me.